Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to install GCC Cross Compiler. Search MSys2 in the browser. You will get a link in first. Just click that and follow the steps as mentioned. Here there are two versions. One is for ARM, another one is for Intel. So you can find via system information. Here you can see it is Intel. If it is ARM based, you can download ARM based compiler. So for me it is Intel, so I'm downloading the first one. Just click that, it will start download and double click the downloaded one. Install, give next, next. Finished. Now it will open a UCRT shell. So now you can close this window and you can open MinGW64. You can open MinGW64 one and you can give the command to install ARM based GCC compiler. So follow this command and just give yes. It will take some time to install. Once installation is done, you can use this command to verify whether the installation is done or not. So since it is open source, you can see this image. So once this is done, you can start install a make command. So this will be useful when you are using multiple files compilation at the same time. Now you can verify your make whether it is working properly or not in the Visual Studio Code. I'm giving make call and it is compiled my source code based on my make file. Now I'm giving make clean, so it is removing all my object files. Now I will install ST-Link supported via command prompt. So I will use this command. It will download ST-Link related files. It will start download. Yeah, it is done. Now I can able to flash software via Visual Studio Code. Now you need to add the environmental variable here. Add the path of your UCRT64 which is installed in your C drive. Go to MC64. Under this UCRT64 bin folder, just copy the path and paste it in the environmental path. Create new one and here you can paste it. Now you can restart your system to affect your environmental variables. Now open your UCRT64 and use this command to check the ST flash version. So now you can see the version and the ST flash is installed successfully. Now I will open my Visual Studio Code and I will use make command and there is no change to be done. So I'm giving make flash. So still it is not working. I missed to connect my nucleo board. Now I have connected. I'll close this window and I will give the make flash. Since all these commands are already added in my make file, so you can see here flash it and successfully. Thank you for watching the video. Please do subscribe the channel.